Hello, in an earlier lesson we looked at the Planar Tracker in DaVinci Resolve, and we used that to put this logo on top of this box. And the Resolve tracker is quite nice. But what if you want to do your tracking in Resolve and then continue doing your comp in, for example, Nuke? So we need to find a way to export this tracking data from Resolve to another software. So here we are at the Fusion page in DaVinci Resolve. And to export the tracking data that is contained either in the planar transform or in the planar tracker, we can just select the node and copy it. And then we can paste the node inside a text editor. And what we see here is the actual Lua code that defines this node. And the data here is one transform matrix for each frame. So this is, for example, the first transform for the first frame. But this cannot be used as is in another software, so we need to mangle this data. So for this I'm going to use regular expressions. So let's try this out. So this regular expressions you can see here will capture the matrix on each row and then remove the other text on that line. So if I now run this for each frame, then we have one line for each matrix, and this can easily be used in another software. And we also have to delete the other code at the beginning and at the end. So here we have a clean file containing all our tracking data for the Planar Tracker. And you can just save this out as a text file. And in another lessons, I will explain how you can take this data and import it into your other softwares. I hope this was helpful and see you next time. Over and out.